With its breathtaking beaches, verdant scenery, and one-of-a-kind cultural encounters, Maui, Hawaii is a sought-after travel destination for many people. Join Viewcation as we go over the best places to stay in Maui. Grand Wailea. This luxurious beachfront haven, spanning over 40 acres, is designed to resemble an open-air art museum on the island's picturesque south shore. With myriad amenities, guests can enjoy 9 pools, including an adults-only pool and one with a thrilling tube slide. The resort's Hawaiian Cultural Ambassador leads weekly cultural tours for guests to explore the rich history and traditions of Hawaii. Satisfy your taste buds at one of the 7 on-site restaurants, with the Saturday Rosé brunch at Ikena being a must-try. Indulge in refreshing rosé, delicious ahi ceviche, and crab benedict while taking in the breathtaking ocean views. For a memorable evening, attend the nightly luau dining experience, featuring captivating performances that narrate Hawaii's founding stories, complete with an aerialist suspended from a palm tree. Add a touch of mystique to your stay by booking a session with the resort's in-house astrologer for a chart reading. The Ritz-Carlton Maui, Kapalua. Nestled in the tranquil northwestern region of Maui, the Ritz-Carlton Maui, Kapalua offers an idyllic escape for those seeking a more secluded and serene experience. Though it feels remote, the Ritz-Carlton provides all the amenities you could want, ensuring you'll never run out of activities. The expansive resort features a remarkable 20,000 square foot pool deck, inviting you to relax and unwind under the warm Hawaiian sun. For sports enthusiasts, the resort boasts tennis courts and world-class golf courses, providing the perfect setting to hone your skills or simply have some fun. With multiple bays to explore nearby, you can immerse yourself in the island's natural beauty and embark on an unforgettable adventure like snorkeling, paddleboarding, or simply strolling along the gorgeous shorelines. The Ritz-Carlton is not only a sanctuary for relaxation, but also a hub for cultural enrichment. The resort takes great pride in comprehensive cultural programming, which includes a captivating daily sunset ceremony that pays homage to the island's rich heritage. Andaz Maui. This 15-acre luxury resort, which opened in 2013, offers an array of upscale amenities and accommodations. Choose from garden view, mountain view, or deluxe ocean view guest rooms, poolside and premier Andaz suites, or spacious 2, 3, or 4-bedroom villas. Each room features a private lanai, modern decor, rain showers, bathtubs, and plush robes. The resort's contemporary Hawaiian design blends seamlessly with its modern architecture, creating a serene atmosphere. In the center lobby, unwind to live acoustic music while admiring the breathtaking view of multi-level infinity pools. Guests can relax poolside or indulge in a rejuvenating apothecary experience at the beautiful Awili Spa and Salon, which is just steps away from Mukapu Beach. Enjoy a taste of Hawaii at one of Andaz Maui's 5 on-site dining options, including celebrity chef Masaharu Morimoto's beachfront restaurant, Morimoto Maui, which serves the freshest local fish and authentic island fare. Adventure seekers will also delight in the resort's easily accessible activities like kayaking, surf lessons, and snorkeling. Fairmont Lani Resort. Experience authentic aloha spirit at the Fairmont in South Maui, Hawaii's only all-suite and villa oceanfront luxury resort. Boasting an exceptional cultural program, an award-winning spa, and 4 superb restaurants, the resort caters to all your needs. You can luxuriate in spacious suites, and larger families can appreciate the lavish 2- and 3-bedroom villas. Indulge in a wealth of amenities, including 3 swimming pools, a 140-foot water slide, and the state-of-the-art Willow Stream Spa, which offers locally inspired treatments. The Kids Club keeps the little ones entertained, and with daily fitness classes, a 24-hour fitness center, championship golf, tennis, and boutique shopping, there's something for everyone. Feast on island-inspired cuisine at Ko Restaurant. You can also start your day with a delectable breakfast buffet at Kealani Restaurant or savor lunch and dinner poolside at AMA Bar and Grill. Grab homemade goodies for your island adventures at Cafe Chow Bakery and immerse yourself in the enchanting Fairmont Kealani Resort experience. 4 Seasons Resort Maui. This is the epitome of luxury and relaxation. This breathtaking oceanfront resort offers a dreamlike paradise for discerning travelers seeking the ultimate indulgence. With its exceptional ocean views, 3 exquisite saltwater pools, a rejuvenating spa, and tennis courts, the resort truly embodies the enchanting spirit of Maui. Favored by locals for its unrivaled splendor, the Four Seasons is well worth the splurge for those looking for an unforgettable experience. As the captivating setting for the popular HBO series White Lotus, the resort's beautifully manicured grounds are sure to evoke a sense of familiarity and allure. The luxurious accommodations at the Four Seasons feature a sophisticated blend of modern design and tropical touches. Each elegant room boasts a glamorous bathroom and a private lanai, offering awe-inspiring views of the ocean, mountains, or lush gardens. Kohea Kai Resort. This family-friendly resort in South Maui is an oceanfront haven situated steps away from the stunning 5-mile white sand beach of Maipona Oelau. The resort offers a variety of accommodation options, ranging from penthouses with breathtaking views to spacious suites with full kitchens and indoor jacuzzis. The upscale comforts and modern decor make this boutique hotel an excellent choice for your Maui stay. Kohea Kai Resort boasts exceptional amenities, including oceanfront access, complimentary beach equipment, and an on-site bistro offering free breakfast and 24-hour food selections. Guests can enjoy the pool, Wi-Fi, concierge services, and event spaces ideal for parties, wedding receptions, or meetings. The resort also provides convenient services and amenities for guests with disabilities. The Plantation Inn and Kaanapali Beach Hotel. These destinations are good choices for a budget-friendly and pleasant Maui visit. The Plantation Inn, located in the historic Lahaina, offers charming accommodations and is just a few steps away from Maui's best restaurants, shops, and attractions. The 18-room inn serves a delicious breakfast, and guests can enjoy privileges at its sister property, the Kaanapali Beach Hotel, located right on the beach, offering whale watching during winter. Although Kaanapali Beach Hotel costs more than the Plantation Inn, it's worth it for the unforgettable experience of walking onto the beach and enjoying cultural activities like hula and lei making. Both hotels provide family-friendly amenities and activities, making them the perfect choice for families looking for a comfortable and memorable stay in Maui. Despite their simplicity, these hotels are regarded as landmarks in West Maui and provide a perfect combination of relaxation and convenience. Romantic Hamoa Bay Bungalow. For travelers looking for something more spacious than a standard hotel room, the romantic Hamoa Bay Bungalow is a dreamy Airbnb surrounded by fragrant ginger and giant ferns. This hideaway fully embraces the island's indoor-outdoor lifestyle, offering amenities like a full kitchen, washer and dryer, and outdoor lava rock shower, while still providing a regular indoor bathroom. Perfect for honeymooners or couples seeking an intimate escape. Now it's time to hear from you. Have you ever visited Maui? Do you think you'd like to stay at one of these places? Let us know in the comments section below.